Ferum Workflow. First and foremost, the marker colors provide a quick visual overview of connection status throughout the entire project. Orange markers represent classified nodes. Purple markers represent designed nodes, and green markers represent modeled nodes. This allows project teams to quickly understand which connections are still awaiting engineering, which have already been designed, and which have already progressed into detailing and modeling. Once a project is awarded, the engineering workflow can begin immediately. Because the connection mapping plan was already completed during the estimating and classification stage, engineers already have a structured digital layout of the project before design even starts. Traditionally, many fabricators only begin organizing connection coordination after award, using spreadsheets, marked-up drawings, emails, and disconnected mapping plans. Ferum centralizes that workflow directly inside the platform from the very beginning of the project lifecycle. To begin designing a connection, the engineer simply selects a classified node and starts the design timer. The moment the timer begins, Ferum automatically generates and downloads an Idea Statica open model file that can be opened directly inside the engineer's Idea Statica project. When the model opens, the general connection orientation, member arrangement, and connection geometry have already been prepared automatically. This significantly reduces repetitive modeling work and saves valuable engineering time during connection setup. From there, the engineer simply applies the required loading conditions and performs the necessary engineering operations inside Idea Statica to complete the connection design. Once complete, the designer returns to Ferum, ends the timer, and uploads both the calculation report and IFC model directly back to the node inside the project. At that point, the node automatically transitions from classified to design status inside Ferum. If revisions occur later in the project, designers can simply create a new design instance by starting the timer again. When the updated design is completed and uploaded, Ferum automatically archives the previous design instance while maintaining the latest revision as the active design. This creates a complete historical record of all connection revisions throughout the project lifecycle, allowing teams to maintain visibility into design changes over time. In real time, detailers can instantly access all attached engineering documents for any designed node, without searching through emails, folders, shared drives, or traditional mapping plans. They simply select a designed node, for example this one here, and immediately gain access to the associated engineering information. From there, they can open the calculation report directly inside Ferum for review, or download the report locally if required. They can also open the attached IFC model and visualize the connection directly inside Ferum using the built-in 3D viewer. This allows detailers to inspect the connection geometry, orbit the model in 3 dimensions, isolate components, and take measurements to support modeling workflows inside Tekla structures. Because the engineering information is attached directly to the node itself, detailers always have fast access to the latest approved connection information during modeling. Once the connection has been modeled inside Tekla structures, the detailer simply clicks Mark as Modeled, and the node automatically transitions to green within the system. This provides real-time visibility into detailing progress across the entire project for engineers, detailers, project managers, and fabrication teams simultaneously. Next up, project management and phasing.